Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. It's binary time in additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 12th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and a binary. Yes, binary time. And this one will be number 7609. Yeah, 7609. Let me place it here. 7609. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Then, well, we have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And we have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, this one is very quick to solve without comparing. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes. Very quick to solve, 2 minutes. So, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.